This time we're going to make Navbar of Bootstrap. The way is pretty easy, guys. Let's just open the Bootstrap. I opened Bootstrap. Let's repeat from the beginning, guys. We open the bootstraps. Just hit the bootstrap like that. This is it. Guys can choose this one. Well, next up there, select this doc. Let it look like this, then in search for this, friends, just type it. Type Navbar in search. Like this to get it quickly. Okay, after that, guys. We're gonna use this one. You guys can just copy this. Just click copy to clipboard. This is a copy. Next. Result, move it under this opening body. Press Ctrl plus V2 paste. Has become like this. If we see the results, we can go live. I installed this. Name, live server. You can find it here. In this extension, just type live server. Friends can install you. On my videos already I explained before how to install. After that, go live. Here it is. The result is like this. This is it, friends. Yeah, it's so well, I don't need to search for this. I deleted the search. This is it. Just click this form later, the limit is found. Until here, it can be friends, block, or press shift, hold new click. He'll be left like this, living in backspace. Then save, by pressing Ctrl plus S. See the results. Well, it's gone. Next, we don't want this kind of gray. We can change it to black. How to? Pretty easy in this part. This we delete, guys. This we delete. Like that. Replace it like this. Save, press Ctrl plus S on the keyboard and see the result. Ups is wrong. We check the mistake. Here is something wrong. It turns out I was wrong. Friends, I was wrong. Try changing it like this. Yeah. Then press Ctrl plus S. Not yet. Okay, try to see the results. Well, it's black, yeah, guys, yeah. Then we want to give the shade below, yeah. We want to cast a shadow below. Here, yeah, okay. Then we add it like this. Press Ctrl plus S to see the result. Well, here it is. Well, this is the shadow. There's a little shadow. Okay, like that. I replaced the net. This fills the screen, yeah, guys. We make not fill the screen like this, we replace container fluid. This is removed. Okay, like that, look at the results. Well, this is it. More beautiful, yes. Then the words Navbar, we changed to Palita Media as my channel name. Well, like that, we see the results. Well, this writing. This is no dropdown. Yes, I deleted the same. I just deleted the dropdown. Yes, I delete first dropdown. I don't want to use no drop list. Click Lee, greater than. The limit is up to here. Press Shift, then click. Well, the rest stay in backspace like this, okay? See the results. Well, it's been a little. Then the words, home, link, and disable. This, I want. Move to the right. Yeah. I will move to the right. Just say, Pelota Media. Here. This moved here. Yeah. Means it has to be us. Change their. Ini, collapse. This we add, like this. Okay, it worked. Will be left in the next video. Change his name. This is it, guys, yeah? Then later, we add a header here to make it more beautiful. I think. My tutorial. Enough, so yeah. Don't forget to keep watching our video.